Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Take Up. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a story post in Telegram. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Telegram app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on your screen, you're going to see options like contacts, chats, and settings. At the bottom, stay on chats. Then on the top right corner, you're going to find two icons, a plus icon and a new message icon. Tap on the plus one. There you can see you can either take a photo or record a video, or you can simply tap on the gallery icon on the bottom left corner of your screen. Now select the picture or the video that you want to add to your story. Then from the options given on the bottom of your screen, go ahead and edit and adjust the story. You can also add captions. Once you do that, tap on next. Then select post story from the bottom of your screen. And guys, that's it. That's how you add a story post in Telegram. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.